I get questions all the time about crimes involving moral turpitude. And in this video, I'm going to talk about what they are, but I'm also going to talk about why they're significant. And really, they're significant in three types of situations. The first is if you're not a citizen of the United States, if you're an immigrant, and you are convicted of a crime involving moral turpitude, then many times it will trigger immigration consequences, such as deportation, denial of reentry, or denial of the chance to naturalize to the United States. The second situation where it's significant is if you hold a professional license, such as a nursing license or a license to practice law. Then many times a conviction for a crime involving moral turpitude will trigger disciplinary proceedings that could cause your license to be suspended or revoked, or your inability to get a license later on if you apply for one. The third situation involves being a witness in court. As a general rule, judges will allow the opposing party to question you or impeach your credibility if you testify as a witness in court and you have convictions of moral turpitude. So, for example, the other side could say, well, isn't it a fact that 2 years ago you were convicted of forgery? Now, as for the definition itself of crimes involving moral turpitude, it's somewhat murky. But generally speaking, these are crimes that involve dishonesty or fraud. Examples would include burglary, child abuse, criminal threats, perjury, robbery, felony hit and run. They almost always involve a deliberate criminal intent to do wrong. To the extent that you are charged with a crime involving moral turpitude, and you're in one of these situations where it could really affect you, that is, you're not a citizen of the United States, you hold a professional license, you plan to get a professional license, or you plan to testify in court someday, then you want to do everything you can to fight the case and either get it dismissed or at least get it reduced to a lesser offense that is not a crime of moral turpitude. We've had a lot of experience and a lot of success helping clients do just that.